Hi, you've clicked onto today's tropical tidbit for Sunday, and we have a special one today. We have a Super Sunday surprise. It's Super Bowl Sunday. It's the middle of February, and we are looking at the Atlantic. Yes, this is Florida over here. We are looking at the Atlantic Basin. We have an Invest centered just off the western tip of Cuba over here in the Yucatan Channel. Invest 90L, the first Invest of the 2012 year. And this is indeed a little feature. You can see a little bit of a circulation here. There's westerlies coming off of the Yucatan here, and southeasterlies coming in on the eastern side. This is a little circulation. Convection is not that deep, but there are some showers consolidating around it here, so it is indeed a nice little system. And this is moving slowly east-northeast here, and will probably be interacting with western Cuba during the day today, and tomorrow probably getting out in towards the Florida Straits here, and moving on east-northeast. And you can see the water vapor imagery here. It's really still, it's the winter. There's a lot of wind coming out of the southwest here, and you can see though there's a little bit of a pocket of lower wind shear in here as there's this little upper low and trough sitting over here over the Gulf of Mexico, which is allowing slightly lighter winds, 20 to 30 knots over the center of this thing, which isn't instant death, but it's still fairly high, and this thing in general is going to be a weakling system that isn't going to be able to do very much, but you never know if the NHC gets interested enough in this. Who knows? Might get some kind of a subtropical depression designation if it gets organized today, but it has a very limited time to get going. You can see though that the sea surface temperatures all along this line here within the loop current and the current through the Florida Straits all above 25 degrees Celsius, which is more than warm enough to support a little subtropical entity like this as it moves over these waters, and the Gulf of Mexico is warmer than normal this winter so far. Now, if we look at the upper level winds currently, we can see the upper level trough negatively tilted over the Gulf of Mexico here, which is bringing up a good area of upper divergence over the system, with the upper level winds increasing in speed here as they increase coming up this way, which removes air and allows pressures to lower a little bit. And they are still fairly high in there, though. The pressure reported by ATCF is 1,012 millibars at the center of this thing. So it's in a nice little pocket right now, kind of. But if we go out to 24 hours on the NAM model, you can see the jet stream becomes just a straight blast over this area, and all areas of upper divergence pretty much removed. And therefore, this low is probably going to weaken fairly significantly as we go into tomorrow. But until then, we can watch this little spin up here, just kind of a nice surprise for Super Bowl Sunday. What a day to have this happen for us weather lovers that want to see both the game and the game going on out here. Lots of fun and games down near Cuba. So we're going to be watching this. Could bring some rain to South Florida, and of course all these islands in here. So nice little surprise for this great day here. All right, so that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Go Giants!